In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install an ICC profile on Windows 11. Whether you're an aspiring photographer, a graphic designer, or simply someone who's passionate about achieving accurate colors on your display, installing the right ICC profile can make a significant difference. ICC profiles are instrumental in ensuring that the colors you're seeing on your monitor are true to life and consistent with what others will see. Let's dive right in and show you how this is done. First, we'll need to access the color management settings. To begin, go ahead and press the Windows key together with the S key on your keyboard. This handy shortcut will bring up the search bar, making it easy for you to find what you're looking for. In the search bar, type in Color Management. You should see the app appear in the search results. Click to open it, and you'll be greeted with the Color Management window, where all the color customization options are housed. With Color Management now open, you'll want to move to the Devices tab. This is where we specify which monitor we're going to adjust. If you have multiple displays connected, you'll notice a drop-down menu labeled Device. From here, select the monitor you're intending to adjust. Clarifying this ensures that the changes you make will only affect your chosen display. Don't forget to tick the box labeled Use My Settings for this device. By doing so, it allows you to customize and apply specific settings to your monitor, ensuring that your adjustments won't be overridden by default system settings. Now it's time to add the ICC profile. Still in the Color Management window, look for the button labeled Add. Click on it and a new menu will appear. If you need to find your ICC profile file, select Browse. Your file will most likely be saved on your computer as either a ECC or ICM file. Go ahead and navigate to the location where you've saved your file, select it, and finally click OK to add it to the list of available profiles. We're almost done. The last thing we need to do is set this newly added profile as your default. Still within the color management settings, find and select the profile that you just added. Once you've selected it, look for the button that says Set as Default Profile and click on it. By doing this, you're telling Windows 11 to use this specific ICC profile for your display, ensuring that the colors are rendered as accurately as possible. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you should now have successfully installed and set your ICC profile on Windows 11. Remember, accurate color representation can dramatically improve your viewing experience, especially when editing photos, watching films, or creating visual content. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful videos like this one.